In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera on Microsoft Teams, ensuring that you have complete control over your video settings during meetings. This feature is particularly useful when you want to safeguard your privacy or simply need to focus on the content being discussed rather than your appearance. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. You'll need to log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, head over to your calendar or the Meetings tab, and join an ongoing call or initiate a new one to see how you can manage your camera settings in real time. As your meeting window opens, you'll notice at the bottom of the screen a toolbar filled with various icons. Look for the camera icon. You should see it among the options, alongside icons for the microphone, share screen, and others. If you want your camera turned off before joining, you'll use this same icon. Before you even join the meeting, while in the preview window, simply click the camera icon. This action will toggle your video settings so that your video feed isn't shared when you enter the meeting. If you're already in the meeting and want to turn off your camera at any point, simply click on this camera icon again. You'll see that your video feed stops, indicating to others that your camera is turned off. Now, rather than broadcasting live video, you can choose to have your profile picture display or a blank screen with your name. It's important to note that turning off your camera doesn't affect your ability to see others, nor does it interrupt any other meeting functions. You'll still be able to view shared content and communicate via audio or chat as usual. For those who wish to have their camera off by default for every meeting, you can adjust the settings accordingly. Head back to the main Teams window and click on the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner, also known as More Options. From there, go into Settings and select Devices. Look for the Camera section and turn off the Camera toggle to ensure it's not enabled by default during meetings. This setting is especially convenient if you frequently attend back-to-back meetings and prefer to keep your video turned off without the need for manual adjustments each time. And there you have it, a simple guide to managing your camera settings in Microsoft Teams. Remember, these controls are here to enhance your meeting experience by allowing you to participate in the way that feels most comfortable and efficient for you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this information helps you navigate your Teams meetings with ease and confidence.